Hello fam, welcome back to the channel. This is your girl Meli. The name of my channel is Meli Love Decor. We are back with another video. Today we are going to be decorating and styling my kitchen and my dining nook for the summer season. Guys, what you are seeing here are some new bar stools that I purchased from Daya Lane. I believe that's the name. I'll try to link her website in the description below. I purchased those bar stools from her website and I absolutely love them. They are so easy to clean. They are in the velvet material and they have the chrome gold legs. And they are absolutely beautiful and very spacious and comfortable, and the material is very good and high end. I've already added a few items on top of the cabinets. I added my wreath. Those are just kind of like my summer decor that I added on top with some greenery and stuff like that. So again, we will be decorating the kitchen area today and the dining nook. Guys, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. If you are new here, if you like what you see, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and put notification bell so that you can be notified when I upload a new video. This is the nook area that I will be also decorating today. Those dining chairs are also new and I believe I purchased them either from Amazon or Temu. I can't remember, but I'll try to link also the description in the description below if you guys are interested. And I want to say a big thank you to my returning subscribers for all the love and support that you guys have been giving me in my previous videos. Please guys, I'm still trying to get to the 1,000 subscribers. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, share the video with a family or a friend, support your girl. Leave me a comment, tell me how you like this video, and I will see you in the next one. So for the summer season, I've decided to, guys, I fell in love with the pink. So I've decided to kind of keep the pink theme going and just kind of like add the yellow to it. And my theme for the summer is like the pink strawberries and the lemons. So I decided to go with the pink and yellow theme and I love it. I absolutely love it. So as you guys can see here, I've added my little lamp that I purchased from Michael's to this like little tier pedestal, and I added some greenery at the bottom of the pedestal just to make it more springy. Now I'm adding my little coffee table books that I got from Amazon, and I believe the Season of Hope one, the smaller one, I picked up from Burlington. Those two little beautiful yellow birds, I picked them up from Ross. Absolutely love them. I think they are so cute. They have like that gold shimmer, with a little bit of bling added to them. Now I'm adding my tray. That tray, guys, just as a little FYI, because it's been in the kitchen and with the heat, all of the gold had kind of like peeled away. I just got me some paint from Michael, some gold metallic paint, and I just repainted the handles and the legs, and there you go, brand new. I love this little lemon pitcher that I picked up a few years ago, about 2 years ago at Home Good. I just added my little pink tulips in there, again going with the pink and yellow theme, and I absolutely love it. Now with this little cake stand, I picked up those faux dessert or faux fruit dessert from Amazon. Guys, they look so real. When you touch them, they look absolutely real. And I picked them up from Amazon and I added them on this cake stand. And this is kind of like a lid from one of my canisters, so I'm just adding it there just as a piece of decoration. I'm adding this canister that I picked up from Didi's, I believe, maybe last year. I got it from Didi's, and those sell online very expensive, and I was able to pick it up from Didi's. I'm adding my 2-tier tray here on that side, and I'll be adding some cute little decorative pieces on there. This beautiful pink apple, I picked it up from Ross. Those 2 little birds, salt and pepper shaker, I got them from Ross as well. This beautiful yellow pitcher, I got it from Home Goods, I believe, and as you can see, I added the pink tulip, so it's the same contrast with the pink and yellow. I'm trying to coordinate those 2 colors together in the kitchen. And this canister as well, I picked it up from Home Goods. This little spoon rest, I believe I also got that one from Home Goods. I'm adding this marble tray that I picked up from Home Goods, and this beautiful little gold, I don't know, jewelry trinket, whatever box, whatever you want to call it. I picked it up from Burlington, and it's not meant to be put on the stove, but guys, as I've always mentioned, you can use an item meant for something else in other ways. So I'm using it, kind of like as a decorative piece on top of my stove. On this side of the kitchen, I'm adding this beautiful white and gold bowl that I picked up from Home Goods, and I usually add my fruits in there, my lemon, my bananas, or whatever fruit that I have available at the moment. I'm adding this little pedestal marble tray, and this book that I picked up from, I believe I got that from TJ Maxx, this cooking book. And this little this is a clip art that I purchased from Etsy. I just purchased it and then printed it from Walgreens and then just added it to a frame. Again, I wanted to incorporate the pink and the yellow. This beautiful picture, I picked it up from Home Goods, I believe last year, and these 2 beautiful birds that are kissing, I picked up from Ross. This beautiful marble tray, you can also turn it as well. I picked up from Home Goods. I absolutely love it. It goes with the whole theme with that picture with the flowery metal leaf around it. It's kind of like in the same family with that picture that I have on the other side with the bow. I absolutely love it. I picked up this beautiful picture from Home Goods, and those floral, I think I got those from, is it Kirkland's, or I can't remember, either Kirkland's or Marshall, one of those. I picked up those floral, those 4 hydrangeas. They are felt like, and I absolutely love them. The sugary lemon ball, I picked it up from Home Goods, actually no, Home Sense, and it had a hanging thing to it, and I just removed the hanging thing and I just added it as a nice ball in my little vignette. And this is like a nice little yellow canister candle, or lemon candle that I added to the vignette. Picked up this beautiful ginger jar It's kind of like a summer themed ginger jar with the bird. I picked it up from Home Sense and clearance for like $25, and it's absolutely beautiful, and it's huge, guys. I love this ginger jar. And again, going with the whole theme with the pink and the yellow, and I absolutely love that mixture. Now over to the dining nook that we'll be decorating. Typically, guys, I only do a two seat. I only decorate 2-seat setting. I hope I'm saying this right. It's 4-seat, but I always just set the table for 2. We don't use that table very often. We usually sit at the bar area where the bar stools are. This table hardly gets used unless someone comes over and we're just having dinner. We just use it. So I just usually just do 2 settings just to bring in some beautiful decor pieces into the dining nook. Those 2 green table mat I picked up from Hobby Lobby, and I love that green color. Those chargers, I picked them up during the Easter season at Ross. And of course, my plates, I usually get them from either Ross or Home Goods. Those little lemon plates, guys, believe it or not, I got them from the Dollar Tree. As I've always said, you can mix your high-end pieces with your cheap pieces, and you can still get a beautiful outcome. Again, those were $1.25, those lemon bowls and the lemon plate, and I just mixed it up with some of my plates that I picked up from Home Goods and Ross. Those beautiful napkin rings in the napkin came from Hobby Lobby. Guys, trust me, I know how table setting is supposed to be set up. I know you might be saying, oh, the cups are supposed to be to the left or the napkin to the right or wherever. I just like everything to match. Since we're not really sitting there to eat, it's just for decor purposes. I just like everything to match. Like if the napkin on the opposite side is on one side, I like the opposite side to be on the same side, if that makes sense. I know it's supposed to be on the opposite side, but I just like the way it looks, for it to match perfectly.
You say take me on a treasure hunt. I long for something new. Have you heard the fairies when they sing and dance? I wish it was me every night. When I close my eyes, I see beauty lives in me. I know I don't yet know it, so I trust you when you say that beauty me on a treasure hunt. I long for something new. Have you heard the fairies when they sing and dance? Oh, I wish it was me every night. When I close my eyes, I see trust you when you say that beauty lives in me too. Later it comes later, dear, for many of us. Promise you that we learn through the wrongs, and even the rough can be sweet. Just close your eyes and know beauty lives in me. I know I don't yet know it, so I trust you when you say that beauty lives in me too. It's gonna take some time to get there. I don't care. I'm in for the fight. But I know that beauty lives in me. I know I don't yet know it, so I trust you when you say that beauty lives in me too. Beauty lives in me. I know I don't yet know it, so I trust you when you say.
Guys, we have come to the end of the video. I really hope you did enjoy this decorate with me. Please, again guys, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Please don't forget to turn on your notification bell so that you can be notified when I upload the next one. As I've always said, guys, in all of my previous videos, your home is your happy place and your peace. Decorate it and style it to your liking and your taste. Have a blessed one. Thank you.